जेरोम पॉवेल ने क्या कहा फैसला आने के बाद, आइए आपको एक एक करके वो भी सुनवा देते हैं।
As the stance of monetary policy tightens further, it likely will become appropriate to slow the pace of increases while we assess how our cumulative policy adjustments are affecting the economy and inflation. Our overarching focus is using our tools to bring demand into better balance with supply in order to bring inflation back down to our 2% goal and to keep longer-term inflation expectations well anchored. We think it's necessary to have growth slow down. And growth is going to be slowing down this year for a couple of reasons, one of which is that you're coming off of the very high growth of the reopening year of 2021. You're also seeing tighter monetary policy, and you should see some slowing. We actually think we need a period of growth below potential in order to create some slack so that the supply side can catch up. We also think that there will be, in all likelihood, some softening in labor market conditions, and those are things that we expect and we think that they're probably necessary if we were to have to get inflation, if we were to be able to get inflation back down on a path to 2%, ultimately get there. I do not think the U.S. is currently in a recession, and the reason is there are just too many areas of the economy that are performing, too well. And of course, I would point to the labor market in particular. As I mentioned, it's true that growth is slowing, and for reasons that we understand. Really, the growth was extraordinarily high last year, 5.5%. We would have expected growth to slow. There's also more slowing going on now. But if you look at the labor market, you've got growth. I think payroll jobs averaging 450,000 per month. That's a remarkably strong level for this state of affairs. The unemployment rate at near a 50-year low at 3.6%. All of the wage measures that we track are running very strong. So this is a very strong labor market, and it's just not consistent with 2.7 million people hired in the first half of the year. It doesn't make sense that the economy would be in recession with this kind of thing happening.
बिल्कुल, तो ये थे फेड चेयरमैन का बयान, और जिसके बाद हमने देखा कि अच्छी बढ़त के साथ यूएस के बाजारों की क्लोजिंग देखने को मिली है।